Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Factual History. Today we are going to discuss about Buddhist and Jain literature, which are major sources of Indian history. First, we will discuss about Buddhist literature. Buddhist literature is written in Pali language. Tripitaka are the most important source of Buddhist literature. Tri means three and Pitak means basket. So, Tripitaka means three basket of Buddhist knowledge. Now, we will discuss about Tripitakas in details. First Pitaka is Sut Pitaka, which is a commentary upon Buddhist principles. It contains religious sayings and courses of Lord Buddha. Its fifth section contains the Jataka stories. Jataka stories are 549 birth stories of Lord Buddha. Second Pitaka is Abhidhamma Pitaka, which is an analysis of Buddhist philosophy and ideas. Third Pitaka is Vinay Pitaka, which is a commentary upon the life of Lord Buddha and organization of Buddhist sanghas. It also contains rules of monastic disciples. We should keep in mind, besides religious teaching, Tripitakas also throw light on the contemporary society. Deepvansh is Buddhist scripture which was written in Ceylon during the 4th century. This work throws light on the Indo-Ceylonese relations and growth of Buddhism in Sri Lanka. Mahavansh is also a Buddhist scripture which was written in Ceylon during the 7th century. Lalit Vista is a biographical sketch of Lord Buddha. Buddha Charitra, which is biography of Lord Buddha, is written by Ashok Ghosh. Abhidhamma Kosh, an encyclopedia of Buddhism, is written by Basu Bandhu. Besides Pali language, two Buddhist sources are written in Sanskrit language. First is Divyadhan, which is composed in Sanskrit language. It tells us about King Ashok and his successors. Manjushri is another source of Sanskrit language which tells us about the political events from Mauryan kings to King Harshvardhan. There are many other sources of Buddhist literature. Now we will discuss about Jain literature. Jain monks used to preach people in the popular dialect Prakrit, which was common language of the masses. Their religious literature was written in Ardhamagdi. Jain literature is divided into many categories. For example, 12 Angs, 12 Upangs, 10 Prakans, 6 Ched Sutra, Nandi Sutra, Anuyog Sutra and Mool Sutra. One of major Jain work, Parishishat Parv, is written by Hemchandra in 12th century. Similarly, Bhadrbhau Charitra is another Jain scripture which throw light on the life of Chandragupta Maurya. So friend, it was all about Buddhist and Jain literature. In the next video, we will discuss about archaeological sources in detail. Till then, keep reading and stay safe. Thank you.